Hi, I'm Lucas.
Hi, I'm Ruby.
And we're Lucas and Friends.
Hi, I'm Lucas.
I am glad you're here.
Pop the correct bubble. I ran away. Away.
Good job.
I ran away. My house is big. No. Big.
Well done.
My house is big. The sky is blue. Blue.
Good job.
The sky is blue. I can jump. Can.
Well done.
I can jump. He will come. Come.
Good job.
He will come. Put it down. No. Down.
Well done.
Put it down.
Hey, kiddos and parents. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Can you subscribe to our channel and hit that like button? It really helps recommend our video to other parents on YouTube. Bye-bye!
Hey, Ruby, wait for me. Bye-bye. Surprise! We're back. Thanks for watching. Can you give me a big smile before I leave? Bye-bye.